So let's see the review of Pixel Experience ROM Android 11 on my i1 review. So this is the weekly update of Pixel Experience ROM. Let's skip to the about phone. So in this you get Android version as Android 11 and a December security patch, and the kernel is 4.9 kernel, that is Strix Plus kernel. As the name of the ROM suggests, Pixel Experience, so you don't get many customizations. So let's see what customizations you get.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So a network and internet in mobile network. The mobile network works fine. The world works fine, as you can see the logo. In advanced settings, you get Wi-Fi calling. Then in hotspot and tethering, you get Wi-Fi hotspot. And in advanced, you get the option of turn off hotspot automatically when no device is connected. Then you get a USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering, and Ethernet tethering. And in advanced, you get the same options. Then in apps and notification, you get notification. In this you get the bubbles, and in this room the notification bubbles works fine. I have screen recorded a video. As you can see, it works fine. Then here you get notification on lock screen and sensitive content on lock screen and advanced. You get hide silent notification on status bar, allow notification snoozing, then suggest actions and replies. The notification dot on app icon, then blink light, default notification sound, swipe finger in for notification, do not disturb, etc. Then advanced, you get default tabs, permission manager, wireless emergency alerts, and special app access. Then in battery, you get a battery saver. In this you get extreme battery saver. See, I have kept it on always use. So when you turn on the battery saver, all the third party apps get disabled. As you can see, as the name says, extreme battery saver. Then in battery you get option of turn off light when charging and battery percentage. Then in display you get dark theme, and you can also schedule it. Then you get night light, adaptive brightness, styles and wallpaper. In this you can choose the font, accent color, etc. You get some default presets, but in this you don't get many choices for accent color. See, I'll create a new one. Was next. As you can see, there are just few. Then in advanced, you get the same settings, and here you get double tap to wake. Then in sound, you can adjust the sounds. Then here you get the live caption. So when you turn it on, you can choose the language to English. You get the high profanity, show sound labels, live caption and volume control, caption calls. Let's turn it off. If you keep it on, it will use more battery. Then in media, you get show media player for an extended period to easily resume the playback. Then in advanced, here you down, you get the MI sound enhancer. Here you can choose the headphone type and preset. Then in privacy, you get permission manager. Here you can choose the permission for certain apps. In advanced, you get app content, autofill stories by Google, ads, etc. Then in location, you can allow location for certain apps. Then security. In security you get the password and fingerprint, but you don't get the face unlock. So even in smart unlock, as you can see, there is no face unlock option, but the fingerprint is very fast. As you can see, it's very fast. Then here you get digital well-being, and in system you get gestures, that is swipe finger for notification, quickly open the camera. System navigation, here you get 3-button navigation and gesture navigation, and in gesture navigation you can also choose sensitivity. Then you get the prevent ringing, and power menu, you get device control and sensitive control and sensitive content on lock screen. So this is the customization of this ROM. Let's see the camera to API is enabled or not. In manual camera, as you can see, the camera to API is enabled. Now let's see the calls are working or not. 198.
Welcome to Jio Marathi साठी एक दाबा. To continue in English.
As you can see, the calls are working fine. In this you get a stock launcher, and you get notification dots, attack lens, add app icon to home screen, swipe for Google app, suggestions, and allow home screen rotation. In this you get a stock camera, but of course you can install Google camera, which I have installed. In this ROM everything is working fine. See Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is turned on. Let's turn it off. And Bluetooth also work fine. The ROM is very smooth. I didn't face any major bug in this ROM. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
Is it for your own good?
What just happened?